Barchart versus TradingView. Which one should you use? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Barchart and TradingView, two platforms a lot of traders use for charts, data, and market insights, so you can see which one actually fits your style. Let's start with Barchart. It's a solid tool if you're into stocks, commodities, or futures. It gives clean data, good fundamental insights, and real-time quotes if you upgrade. But the charting tools are pretty basic. Great for casual investors, not so much for active traders. Now let's talk about TradingView.com. This is the more popular choice among retail traders. It offers powerful charting tools, tons of indicators, social features where you can share ideas, and supports multiple markets, stocks, crypto, forex, and more. Plus, it's free to use, with optional upgrades. So which one is better? If you want clean data, research tools, and don't need advanced charts, go with Barchart. If you're an active trader who wants full chart control, community input, and multi-market support, TradingView wins hands down. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.